there, beauty lovers. Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited about today's video. We are going to be diving into the world of Natasha Denona's Yucca palette. So get ready to embrace your inner desert queen vibes and create mesmerizing looks that are going to make people's heads turn. So remember, this channel is all about glowing up, transformative skincare, flawless makeup, and a lifestyle to match. If that resonates with you, hit subscribe. Don't forget to ring the notification bell. I want you to know when I post future videos. And while you're at it, smash that like button. The more I know about the kind of content that you like, the more I can create content just for you. So let's get started. I am so excited to be reviewing this palette today, guys. This is a gorgeous palette, and as you can see by the outside of this palette, it just looks like a sunset oasis. And when you open it, you can see the beautiful color story that is available here. We have some gorgeous yellows, some mustard green colors, a little bit of mustard yellow. We've got some beautiful shimmer shades. It's just a nice neutral palette. So this was inspired, according to Natasha Denona, by the serenity of the morning sunrise, brushing the tropical leaves of the Caribbean plants, quote, unquote. So this is how she describes it. Her uplifting journey to the Maldives, that's where she was inspired by this palette. But when I look at it, it just screams Southwest to me. It screams a desert landscape. We've got some beautiful oranges that just kind of pop off, some yellows and some deep greens, and almost a purpley, couple of purpley greens here. Just beautiful, and really does remind me of the desert. Yucca plants also grow in Southwest America, so I am going to say that this is definitely a desert inspired palette. So I'm gonna swatch this out and we're gonna talk about the formula and the colors in this palette. So we have, starting from the bottom and going to the top on the matte colors, we have Flax, which is your dark brown, Tipu, a dusty mustard green, Acacia, a matte olive green, Valley, which is a matte dusty mustard brown, Ixia, matte burnt camel, Calathea, which is a medium dark olive green, Citrine, a matte medium mustard citron, Camu Camu, which is a vibrant lime, Fuchsia, which is a matte light medium mustard yellow, and Willow, which is a matte dark teal green. So those are the matte colors, and then on the other side we have the sparkle colors. So we have Plantasia starting at the bottom. That's a foiled green and bronzy rosewood that just makes me think of cacti. We have Como Rebi, which is a sparkling foiled mustard gold. We have Ray, which is a metallic green gold. Macchia, which is a sparkling foiled golden olive, and finally Elysian, which is a sparkled foiled medium taupe. Those are the colors. You can see how beautifully they complement one another, and the formula is just amazing. We have some beautiful powdery mattes. We have some gorgeous foiled sparkles and some shimmer shades. Okay, so let's talk about the versatility of looks that you can get from this palette, because there is a lot here that you can do with the palette. We've got a ton of beautiful warm colors that can accent each other or that can serve as kind of color pops. So let's talk a little bit about the eyeshadow look that I created with this. So I started off with this citrine color right here, this like mustard color, and that was my transition color. And then I used the Plantasia as my shimmer color. In the corners, I have Willow, and that was that green color. And then in the inner corner, I put Camu Camu. Along the bottom up to here, I used Willow, and then I used that mustard citrine, and then I used Camu Camu. And of course, I went for a pop of the Plantasia as well, both on the top of my lid and on the inner corner of my lid. So I created a beautiful kind of green, almost cactus inspired eyeshadow look here. And then when I was done with that, I actually did a wing in a dark green. I have a dark green eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, and so I used that instead of black. I just thought it would pop on my waterline. I used a black too and blended the green with that. So there's a lot of beautiful looks you can get from this palette. You could use the coral shades with some of the golden hues to create more of a sunrise eyeshadow look. You could use the greens and the golds to create a beachy Caribbean look. You could use these yellows to create a sunshine look. There's just so many looks that are available in this palette. And I used the flax and the calathea and the Elysian to create another beautiful eyeshadow look that's more of a nighttime look. So there you have it. This palette retails for $69. It has 15 beautiful colors that really scream sunset. They scream Caribbean, beaches, the Southwest. They really do allow you to unleash your creativity and create a very beautiful sun-inspired looks. So this will be definitely a go-to palette for me in the summer, and definitely one that I'm going to take with me on vacation, because I can't imagine not wearing these gorgeous colors on the beach or in the desert somewhere. So I hope you really allow yourself to create some gorgeous looks with this palette. I can't wait to see what kind of looks that you create. Leave a comment in the comment box. Do you like this palette? Is this something that you would like to purchase yourself? And I'll see you next time on Glow Up with Shelly.